second, every minute. Man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the
Hi, my name is Treasure and welcome back to my channel. And as you can tell by the title, this will be a twist out tutorial. As you can tell from the clip before this clip, that was the products that I used. It was the Creme of Nature honey line, it was the cream twisting cream, and the olive oil. I think that was just a conditioning cream, and just oil of your choice. So in this tip, I'm really just talking about how to separate my hair, which you should never separate your hair dry like I'm doing. I normally get like a spray bottle and spray my hair, and separate my hair like that, and then go in. So yeah, here I'm just finger detangling my hair before I go through and actually detangle. Yeah, that's really what I do. And here I'm just showing how my edges are actually growing back from wearing wigs. I ripped my edges out from not taking my wigs out properly. Yeah. Also in this video, I wanted to touch on the fact of, if you're trying to grow your natural hair, the products I'm using, as you can see, I only have like 3 to 4 products. That's really all that you need. I've been on a journey to where I've been trying to take care of my hair more than what I have been doing. And those products that I've been using, they've been working wonders. Like, I've been using them for like 2 months straight, back to back, just actually taking care of my hair. And my hair has gotten thicker. It's my heat damage has reversed, honestly. So you really don't need that many products. Just find what works for your hair. So here I'm spraying my hair. I'm getting it not wet but damp, and then I'm gonna go in with my comb and detangle. You want to detangle from the ends and then go all the way to the root. Don't start from the root, because you will rip your hair out and it will hurt. So then I'm gonna go in with like a generous amount that's probably a good, dime size, I would say, for that section, and put it over my hair. And I do the same thing with the twisting cream as well from Creme of Nature. And then after that, I top it with an oil to seal it all. And then I go in with my unbrush and brush it all through to distribute it. And then when I do my twist out, I think I would say I do mine differently. I don't know if other people do theirs like this, but I start off with a braid. I braid probably about almost or to halfway down, and then I complete it with the 2-strand twist, and I just do that all over my head. I feel like it's really self-explanatory, but yeah, that's really all that I do. I mean, you can find what works out for you. I don't know how I just stumbled across this, but I found that starting with the braid and then ending with a 2-strand twist, it helped my curls elongate when I take it down, and my hair is not as shrunken up. So yeah, the process is just really a repeat. It's really simple. Yeah, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, comment, and subscribe.
My treacherous little twin, and you know that we locked in, and I love you like my kin. It's whatever for you. I go up and down that road, I go anywhere you go. When you tell me life is good, I want better for you. Yeah. You my twin, you my twin, you my treacherous little twin, you my twin. You my treacherous little twin, you my twin. You my treacherous little twin. Yeah. Fuck what they say, fuck what they, fuck what they, fuck what they say. 500 million on the face, feel like KK. And I know the city that we from, not a safe place. But I know you riding with your twin till we fade away. We used to have nothing to our names, still had great days. Always kept me umbrellaed up when the rain came. You tell me you want something, I'ma tell you same. Now when we come through inside this bitch, they gotta make way. Twisting up my fingers for my twin. You was always on go for the drama, dog. I would toe take somebody for your mama, dog. And they block disappeared, that's some karma, dog. You say you a dog, they roof, nigga, I'm a dog. When I need a friend, you my best friend. When I need a friend, you my only friend. Yeah, you my twin. You my twin, you my treasures, the twin. You my twin, you my treasure, still twin, you my twin brother. And I need only friend. Who can I depend on like you, no one? What? In the bed, she get wicked with her parents, she be wholesome. Whoa, I don't show ID at clubs cause they know that I'm 21. Whoa, 21. Who would do the things we do for each other, nigga? No, whoa. Would you die for me? Would you go at niggas' necks like a tie for me? Do the time for a crime you didn't do for me? Or do a crime at a time when it was loose for me? I wanna tell you how I feel when I'm loaded. Oh, I would lay something down for you. I'll play a whole time for you. Spray the whole 100 round for you. Switching up my fingers for my dog.
So here I'm just gonna be more in depth, since you can see, since it's the front of my head. I'm just gonna repeat my same process, spritz my hair with the water and then finger detangle my hair to get those kinks out, at least the big ones or the ones that I can see, before I just actually go in and detangle with my wide tooth comb and my unbrush. I know that it looks like I'm being rough on my hair, but I promise you I'm not at all. Don't rip your hair apart like I just did. That can cause some damage. Don't do that. But yeah, I've just, like I said earlier, I've just been on this hair care journey. Sorry if you can hear my dog. I've just been on this hair care journey, trying to take care of my hair, take better care of my hair, and find products that work for me. And since I've been on this journey, I've been realizing that you don't need as many products. You don't need 13, 14 products, a whole hair care line. The simple products will work for you. You just have to find what works for your hair. And especially with me, I have a very dry scalp. I deal with very bad dandruff, so it's very hard for me to find products that work on my hair that doesn't cause my scalp to inflame or flake up. So yeah, I think that's really all. And also at the end of this video, it's gonna just stop, but I will add pictures from what the results of my hair look like. So yeah, I thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to comment, like, or subscribe. And subscribe. I hope to see you next time. Thank you for watching.
For you. I do that 3-4 times again, I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch, I do it. All that I'm around, you scared to do. I'm not. Long as you joking, now in for me. I ain't got it. My bitch scheming, looting, hide your bodies. Hey, you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment that you just too important? Nobody's a body like you do. You do. ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Ain't that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Just take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on your day one. We had shit, yeah, it was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Last habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Hard to grow when you're not here, I'm saying. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one flying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening to leave and I'm the main one flying? Just tryna be you even to the main one flying. You fight me and the main one trying. You blame me and the main one lying. You blame leaving the main one flying. You fight me and the main one trying. You blame me and the main one lying. You blame
Your love is fading, I feel it. Roll up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. I love it, I wanna, I'm tryna feel it. I'ma rock the boat, work the
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit.